Hello traders, how are you doing? It's Pierre here. I hope all of you had a great trading week. After our last live session, we had many setups that went very good. But because I'm always getting many questions about how I trade and why I like the AB equals CD pattern, so I was thinking that I will show you this trade that we predicted in our live session in the beginning of the week, and how it went, and why I took it, and how I took it. So yeah, I will start with showing you the video that we had, and I hope you like it. We have we broken this level, this major level, on the gap down, and it was what I call novice gap down, because those gaps when they happen on the weekend, um, actually lots of retail traders that do them, not big banks trading at that time. So anyway, we had this gap down, and prices got rejected very strong, as you see, because of the speech of Theresa May, etc., Brexit scenario, uh, whatever the reason is. So that shows us that there is a strong bullish momentum from this area here, and price rallied up very strong. So what I did I went down to the 4 hour and put my trend line here, because I really love trend lines. They works very good for me, and they show me where I can take the breakout of the trend line. So that's why I use them a lot, and it works for me, and it's easy to trade. Just I wait for a major trend line breakout, retest, and if it's bullish, I buy, or is it bearish, I sell. So what's happening now? We get this rejection down, we retested the trend line, as you see here, rejected, and today we retested both this trend line and this support, because it was resistance before and now it's support. Jason, yes, I am long Euro USD now, but as I said at the start of the video, I'm testing a little new strategy, so that's why I went long. It's a very small position, but I wouldn't go this last push with a bigger position, because we're getting extended very soon, so I would be waiting to go short from the level I showed you before on Euro USD. So yeah, let's go back to GBP USD. So what's we have now a rejection from this level, as you see, and we have also this possible AB equals CD scenario here. If you put it like that, oh, I didn't copy, I need a copy of this one. Here we go, and the completion of this AB equals CD is on this structure, which make it very good to look at. As you see here, we have this structure here, and if we take our Fibonacci extension from swing low to swing high and back down, as you see, it complete also at 1.618 Fibonacci extension, and that's also a good level. So I think going long from here wouldn't be a bad idea. I didn't do anything with this pair today because of the news and the Brexit uh, rolling. What was that was today and in the morning. So and we have a little bit wicks from the upside right now. So better to wait a little bit and see if we're gonna have another retest at this level. Maybe try to retest this level. That's what's going on right now on this 4-hour candle. And if we go down to the 1 hour, as you see, we've been already retested, rejected, and now we have a little bit of rejection back. So I would wait and see if we're gonna have another test and maybe another bounce up. And actually we have our reason to think long from here, because we have this very strong bounce up. We made a new structure, higher low. We made a higher high, higher than this one and higher than this one. So we can start to think to plan to go long from retest of this area and take profit somewhere on this area, because when this, or if this level here get broken, as if you look left here, if this get broken, you see here we have broken that structure also, and we have nothing on the way before we get on that that level. Let's see, 1.2712-ish area. So yeah, that will be a very good trade if it goes all the way up here. Take profit in this area and maybe a reverse down because of the completion of the AB equals CD level. And as you see, it's a major area here. So I would not be looking for more long from here, because that will be a very extended move. So maybe a short, at least 0.38 retracement down, take profit. And if it will gonna keep going up, so after this level, then we have a really bullish scenario ongoing here. We still have this level to watch later on, but that's very far from here. So let's just keep looking at this level. This rejection here is good, but maybe it's retesting now. If this got broken, then I'm very interested to long it until this level and maybe reverse it down back again. Did you get? So that was the main idea, guys, that you saw in the video. And this is how it went. Many of you, those are following me on TradingView, saw the update I was putting over there on the idea. I'm gonna show it to you here. I published the idea after the video and the breakout that we took here, because it was more likely it would happen. And I was posting the update step by step as usual. And those last one were when we were on the way down on the 1 hour, when we got the bearish flag, and I said that we have a bearish flag, and if it break out, we have more to the downside. And that what it actually did. So it was a perfect trade. In the video we was talking about the retest of this area here, and it actually happened. And I was also talking about the break of the structure that we gonna make more up, and we did when we got this strong bullish candle here, as you see. So we break out, and we went all the way up to the decompletion. My order were somewhere in this area here. It got triggered, as you see here. I needed some more pips so to get triggered. So when we got this rejection and engulfing candle, I entered at this candle here, under the lows on this candle, and I let it run until it touched 0.618 Fibonacci. Took profit at that level. It was a very good trade, and it's actually still going a little bit down here again. In the trading view update, I put this bearish flag here. Now it looks like we have another one ongoing, so there is a possibility that we break this flag here too, maybe retest, or just keep going down to retest this level here. The trend is or was very strong up, so I was expecting a reversal already from this level here, but it looks like there is more to the downside maybe, so it is worth to keep looking at for next week too. And if we take a look at the overall move, it was a really good strong move up, and we don't need this Fibonacci level. We are actually still at 0.618 here, and if we're gonna measure the whole move, we see that the whole move we have the 0.38. That is also a good level. That had to be is also in a good structure area. So if price to come all the way back here and we break that bearish flag, we should be watching this level for a possible reversal from here, because as you see here, this support area was very good and price bounced strongly up. So if it happens again, there is a possibility that we take another move up again, because I am still bullish from here on the GBP, sorry. So yeah, keep your eyes on this trade. It was a perfect one, and that's why I wanted to show you how it went. I hope you like the video. I'm gonna be doing small videos like this and showing trades that goes, and those that don't do it also. I have already one that went against me. I went a bit early on this one, also an AB equal CD, and I am in this trade right now. It went up against me, and my stop loss is somewhere in this area, so I had maybe 12 pips before my stop loss got triggered, and then price went down back. So I don't usually hold trades in the weekend, but this one I think I'm gonna hold it. It's not a huge position, so I'm gonna hold this one until the weekend, and if it goes or not goes, I maybe do another video and show it to you. So yeah, that's it for today. Have a great weekend. Please give some thumbs up, share this video, put some comments, so I get the courage to make a new one for you guys. So have a fantastic weekend and see you in the market. Bye bye.